Getting your photos well exposed is really crucial. It's really important to good photography. One tool I love to use on my camera is the spot meter reading. This allows you to take a very precise reading from one point in your composition and know what the light value on that point is. Typically, it's the same place that you'll focus on. So I use single point focus, and on my cameras, the spot meter will follow that point. So when I turn the spot meter on, I can read a light reading precisely from the area that I'm focused on, that I want to know that the exposure there is going to be just right. Doesn't matter so much about the background, it doesn't matter so much about other things in the photograph. So long as my main subject is well exposed, I'm going to be a happy photographer. Learn how to do this with your camera. I mix and match it with the averaged metering, but use the spot metering frequently, especially in hard light when the contrast is high. So when you pick your camera up later today to take some photographs, think about how you can take a more precise light reading and set your exposure just the way you want to.